In 1964, the brilliant astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev proposed a method for measuring a civilization's level of technological advancement, based on the amount of energy it is able to use. This groundbreaking concept became known as the Kardashev scale, a cosmic ladder of progress that charts our potential journey from a fledgling species to masters of the universe. It's a scale that forces us to confront the sheer immensity of what's possible and the long road we still have ahead. Currently, humanity registers as a Type 0.7 civilization on this scale. We are still in our planetary infancy, primarily drawing power from the fossilized remains of ancient life and the raw, untamed forces of our home world. Reaching the next milestone, becoming a Type 1 civilization, is a monumental leap that requires a complete paradigm shift in how we think about and harness energy. A Type 1 civilization is a truly planetary species, one that has achieved complete mastery over its home world. This means capturing and utilizing all the energy that reaches the planet from its parent star. Imagine a world where every ray of sunlight, every gust of wind, every surge of the ocean tides is efficiently converted into usable power for its inhabitants. This level of control would make our current energy crises seem like a distant, primitive memory. A Type 1 society would have the power to control its own weather, preventing catastrophic storms and directing rainfall to where it's needed most. They could manage their planet's geology, potentially mitigating earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, creating a truly stable and predictable global environment. The energy budget of such a civilization would be staggering, several orders of magnitude greater than what we currently produce. This abundance would fuel technologies we can only dream of today. Think of global transportation systems that move people and goods anywhere on the planet in minutes. Cities that are seamlessly integrated with nature, and an end to scarcity for all its citizens. But climbing to Type 1 is just the first step on this cosmic ladder. The next rung, Type 2, represents a level of power that borders on the divine from our current perspective. A Type 2 civilization would no longer be confined to its home planet. It would have harnessed the total energy output of its entire star. To achieve this, a civilization would likely construct a megastructure known as a Dyson sphere or a Dyson swarm. This colossal engineering project would envelop the star, capturing a vast majority of its energy output. The amount of power collected would be billions of times greater than that of a Type 1 civilization, providing a near-infinite source of energy. With such power at their command, a Type 2 civilization could undertake projects of unimaginable scale. They could terraform and inhabit other planets and moons within their solar system, creating new worlds from barren rock. They might even be capable of moving entire planets from their orbits, perhaps to optimize their solar collection or to save a world from an impending cosmic threat. The computational power available to a Type 2 civilization would be immense, allowing for simulations of entire universes and the creation of artificial intelligences with consciousness far exceeding our own. The very concepts of disease, aging, and perhaps even individual mortality might be overcome through advanced biotechnology and energy-intensive processes. For a Type 2 civilization, the entire solar system is their backyard. And yet even this incredible level of mastery is dwarfed by the ultimate stage on the Kardashev scale. This brings us to the final, awe-inspiring leap to a Type 3 civilization. A society so advanced that its power extends not just over a planet or a star, but over an entire galaxy. A Type 3 civilization is a galactic civilization. It would harness the energy output of billions of stars, drawing power from the supermassive black hole at the galactic core and manipulating the very fabric of space-time. Their existence would be spread across countless star systems, forming an interconnected network of worlds and habitats spanning hundreds of thousands of light years. To us, a Type 3 civilization would be functionally indistinguishable from gods. They would command energies that could create or destroy entire star systems at will. The technologies they wield would seem like pure magic, defying our current understanding of physics. Traveling between distant stars, a journey that would take us millennia, might be an instantaneous act for them, perhaps through the manipulation of wormholes or other exotic forms of faster-than-light travel. Imagine a civilization that has cataloged every star, every planet, and every life form within its galactic domain. They would possess a repository of knowledge so vast It would encompass the complete history and science of a billion worlds. They would have witnessed the birth and death of stars, the evolution and extinction of countless species, and the cosmic dance of galaxies over eons. The primary energy sources for such a civilization would be as exotic as they are powerful. They might harness the immense radiation and gravitational forces of quasars and supermassive black holes. They could potentially tap into even more fundamental energy sources, like dark energy or the energy of the vacuum itself, unlocking power on a scale that is truly cosmological. A Type 3 civilization might not even consist of biological beings as we know them. Over millions of years of technological and evolutionary progress, they may have transitioned into beings of pure energy or uploaded their consciousness into a vast, galactic-scale computational network. Their society could exist as a collective consciousness, a unified mind spread across the stars. From our humble vantage point on this small blue dot, the concept of a Type 3 civilization is almost too vast to comprehend. It represents the ultimate potential of intelligent life, a journey from mastering a single planet to becoming true custodians of a galaxy. It is a future so distant and so profound that it blurs the line between science fiction and ultimate reality. The path to these higher types is fraught with peril and immense challenges, requiring not just technological breakthroughs, but also a maturation of wisdom and cooperation on a species-wide scale. We are only at the very beginning of this incredible journey, taking our first tentative steps onto the cosmic stage. The Kardashev scale serves as both a roadmap and a warning. It shows us the limitless potential that lies ahead, but also highlights how far we have to go. Will humanity rise to the challenge, overcome its divisions, and continue its climb up this cosmic ladder? Only time will tell, but the stars are waiting. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this exploration of what the future might hold, be sure to subscribe to Curiosity Repo for more deep dives into science and the wonders of our universe.